This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio in the studio, and that is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I have given a coat of Mead and Black paint that you can find on my Amazon link, and I love it because it's very, very black. Even that's just one coat over white canvas. Okay, so I'm hoping that this is going to be easy. I've trimmed up a few of my tongue depressors, taken the end off because I wanted it to fit into there easily. That's my dip dish. I've got three different size choices. I've got Glide cling wrap wrapped around it, and this time I'm going to stay as far in close to the center as I can because I lose some of the paint around the edges. I want to do a rainstorm, and so I'm not sure how this is going to work, but the other day when I added some color, to the canvas and drag my spatula through it, that was the true silver. This is the black iris. I know it might not make sense what I'm doing right now. This is the French silk. These are Prism pour colors from Colour Arte. There is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video, and I am a Colour Arte affiliate, so if you decide to shop Colour Arte products, you'll not only be thrilled with the products, but you'll be helping me out, and I really appreciate that. I still want to add some pink. And this is only the second time I've done this way, so this is Chantilly lace. Did I say that was French silk? If I didn't, I need to. So when I did these lines that I was expecting to fill in with my spatula, I just left some gaps behind, and I really liked the way that looked. You know what? I've got some pale pink, and I want it just... This is Frosted Berry. And I don't know how this is going to look. I don't know. I'm nervous. Alright, so here goes. I've got to do the top first because the paint gets gloppy in my dish. So we'll do the paint in the dish in a minute. This is my rain cloud. And that's pretty much the way I expected it to go. Simple as that, really. I could use any of my paint on my spatula over the top or on the edge. I could even take some of that. Some of that and push it over. Okay, now I think I'm going to use a small amount of Chantilly lace down the center. And then I've got some pink diamond. I'm going to use some frozen. Actually, you know what? I've got other containers to use that out of. I need to use these smaller containers up because I've got larger. I've got 8-ounce sizes of Prism pours. This is the blue velvet. Which is obviously not coming out very well at the moment. But I'm sure I can fix that. This is some Fandango. Whoa! This is something I thought was... Yeah, never mind. I didn't leave enough space in the bottle to shake it. Always leave an inch or so, or at least half an inch at the top of any of your bottles to shake. This is Royal Galaxy. I'm not going to worry about it. I wanted to call this Purple Rain because I had 3 different purple colors and all the other ones. This is Poinsettia. I need enough paint to make my rain. This is, what is this? This is sour lemon and some orange crush. Next is the frozen. I'm going to want to put a little bit of Mayan gold in there too, I can tell now. Some deep amethyst. A little golden poppy. Yes, I remember I shook this now. It's a great color. I like the orangey yellows. This is some orange crush with a little bit of Big Apple in it. And I'm going to put some Tuscan Sun in there. Because in Florida, when it's sunny, it still rains. So maybe we'll catch a few glistening drops. I was going to put some Mayan Golden. I think I still am. And now there's nothing more than taking my time, trying out my new toys, picking a trajectory. So it's going to rain sideways. Let's move this to a side I can handle it. For all intents and purposes, I do claim to be right-handed. I need to get a couple of bottles out of the way. I do want to make things staggered to a degree. This might be really quick. I gotta remember to use the smaller pieces because that's going to change up the pattern. And make it look a little more like rain maybe. I like the tongue depressor because it's small enough to not really make too many drips, although this one is kind of gummy. It's nice the canvas is dry. It's my first time doing this. I'm quiet because I'm focused. We'll just pretend the wind is blowing if I have anything that's not exactly right. It's a fairly simple concept. I don't know if anybody's going to get it but me, or even how it's going to look, but I like to experiment and play with new ideas. Hopefully I haven't gone up too far. I kind of like the idea of it being layered back into the cloud. Gives it the impression of some dimension. I love that Tuscan sun in there. I want to try not to overlap anything too bad because I don't want any glop. And if I make it too consistent, I'm not sure that'll be a good thing either. Love the colors. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. Thunderhead and Falling Rain. Because you're only dipping in a little tiny stick, edge, tongue depressor, you're not mixing the colors too terribly. And the thin lines, the ones that don't show up a lot, sort of add to the texture of things. That's kind of neat. I'd say this worked at least as well as I was hoping it would. Kind of want to put a few little drops. Just to look like raindrops. And I'm going to be done, so I should tell you guys, I do sell my artwork. My email address is the best way to contact me. It's underneath, show more underneath the link tree. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com. The link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shopping places like that you can find on the link tree too. Pixels.com, Fine Art America. I like that pink. I wish there was more of it. I like the fact that I made shorter pieces too, because I can waste a whole lot less paint. Although now I've got paint in my dish and I need to figure out what to do with it. And then I'm going to try and shimmer it at you. Although they're pretty thin little stripes. I think that's cute. It's kitschy, but it's cool. I'm going to take my paint and put something over it so that it will stay moist while I show you guys. And pop some bubbles with a skewer. Come here, skewer. And I see one line in the middle that doesn't look like it belongs. So I'll just mess that up a little bit. Still a little gloppy paint. Maybe I'll just spatula where the bubbles are and hope for the best. I wonder if I could... I want a spiral, but I'd have to do it everywhere. I may wind up dragging the spatula through again. I think if I do the spirals, I have to add more before I get in any more trouble. I'll just smooth those. I like the little drag marks, so that's why I'm not worried about them. One dot I didn't care for. So that's that. Sort of, kind of, at least. Very sparkly rain. Not purple rain, but you could make it purple rain. And I see that I've got a spot that I want more raindrops in. It's a driving rain. A rainbow rain. Look at that sparkle. Let's see if I can get right down in. I don't know if you can see that up at the top, but it's awesome. Let's go in between. That's just fun. It's kind of stylized. It's a kitschy idea. Could probably add more layers. Wow. It's like it's covered with jewels. Alright, so I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the comments that keep my morale boosted. I keep seeing places I want to fix. There is no gap in the rain. Well, I can fix that after you're gone. Alright, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Know that I have over 2,400 videos, and you can find them by going to my channel and looking for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. Or you're welcome to ask me. I have them all saved by topic and genre. Can I shimmer that at you? How can I shimmer that at you? I wish I could get you really close to that. But it's not going to work for me. So what else can I tell you? I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I told you I sell my artwork. You can ask me questions on the community board. You can see tomorrow's video often on the community board. By going to my channel, you'll find playlists and community board and my store even. My Amazon link is on the link tree. If you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you and it helps me out and I really appreciate it. My paint pouring recipes for Vivid Polypore, Vivid Enamel, and my regular Floetrol mixture for mead and paint are all underneath the video. And I have Society 6 and Legalers, both awesome places to shop on my link tree. I recommend going there. Nobody goes there, but there's some awesome stuff there worth seeing. I promise you, you'll have fun if you go. You don't have to buy anything, just go check it out. And then if you know somebody who wants to buy something, send them there. I love you guys. Take care of each other. I think I said that already. So take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.